This is DOOGEE T10, and in today's video I'm going to lead you through the procedure of setting up parental controls for this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Passwords and Accounts category. In here, check whether you have any Google accounts added to your system. If you have some, you will need to remove those, like that. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main settings page, open the Google category, then go for the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account. If you do not have an account for your child, you can create one by tapping at the Create Account option over there. Once the child's account was successfully signed into, you will need to, select it from the list over here. And now enter another Google account credentials, this time for the Google account that belongs to you as a parent. Or, to put it in other words, log into the Google account you will be using to supervise your child. Then, once you've made it to the About Supervision page, at the very bottom of it you have a field that you will need to input the child's account password to. So input the child's account password to the respective box, then tap at the Agree button, then at the pop-up dialog window that appears, go for the Allow, and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. After that, hit the Next button. This step we can skip, it is not important. The same applies for the next step, that is the Manage Filters and Settings. And it is such an unimportant step that the system decided to shut down on me, and that's completely fine, because at the point where the parental controls were successfully set up, they just suggested that we tinker a little, tinker some configurations and preferences, but that's not important at all, because if I will open up the Google category and parental controls in particular, you can clearly see that they are enabled and working and active. So now take your phone or whatever device you wanted to supervise your child from. So here's mine. And at this point you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Google Family Link. So do exactly that. Launch the app. In here, make sure to sign into Family Link with the parental account. It is an important step. And then inside the app, you can do such things as setting up the daily device usage limits or downtime routine, manage app limits and app activity in general, apply and install content restrictions and age filters, configure the child's account settings such as sign-in controls, privacy, and more, manage devices if you have multiple people to supervise, monitor your child's location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.